Guys, today's video guys kay mag-adto tag CCT sa Malungon, Sarangani Province. So mag-display ta dito guys. Mo day na ato ang driver guys. Tanawa outfit check. Ang shoes. Pak Charis. Mo na atong driver karon guys. Mo ni ato ang i-display dito guys. So kung naaman mo karon sa Malungon guys, pamalit na mo sa among mga souvenirs. Ano diha? Bata diha.
Hello, special kia.
Yan guys. Ano di ita diri sa CCT no? Pasulod na ta. Nice kay diri guys. Okay.
Bedo.
Feel the nature kaayo.
Bedo.
Naapa day ang Lamdifo. Ayan guys, dito na tayo guys.
Did you know?
Lamig kay diri.
Mommy, that's where I used to go and I go up in the other mountains. Hala,
Pakita pa na ako sa inyo ha ang other view niya guys. Gal may short na gato mag lamal mul. Ayan guys. Napatuo. Kita nun kay diri. Ayan.
Gami gusto mo mag-dito.
Wow, nice kay diri. Improved din no. Grabe ang improvement. Ayan.
Nadala ang template.
Ayan guys. Dito na tayo sa CCT. Welcome here sa CCT guys. Gisundo na dyan sila. Nana sila. Oh. Wow. May CCT Malungon Retreat and Training Center. Home of Yupalan Watami Fat Damo. Hi. Sige po.
Opo ma'am, thank you po.
Welcome here guys. We're now here at Malungon, Sarangani Province at CCT.
Dancers, gawas tanan, balik one more. Dancers.
Litigation. A former three-term mayor of Liloan town in the province of Cebu. She positioned Liloan as what is today as a top model and most resilient municipality in the Philippines. Her outstanding work and valuable efforts as a leader and public servant did not go unnoticed when she was recognized as Presidential Lingkod Bayan Regional Awardee for Excellence in Public Service, ranking first among all municipal mayors in the Central Visayas region of the Philippines. In just 2 years since she took helm as the Philippine Department of Tourism Secretary, she has consistently ranked as one of the top performing members ng Amiga. Nagkauban mi niya isip mga mayor sa among nagsatag sa mga lungsod, ubos sa National Directorate of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines. And in the time that I knew her, I was very impressed by the vision that she had for her municipality, and most importantly, the strength and the courage with which she has executed that vision. And
is also the reason why we are here today to witness. And of course, our ever supportive private sector that continue to drive the Philippine tourism industry to its robust performance. Ang atuang mga officials of our tourism organizations in the country, the President.
Sige, kit jud. Sige, kit jud. Pangatag anak bi? Unsa na? Kanon di ay na. Unsa na nga kanon? Pinit na? Pinit na? Pangatag bi? Pangatag bo? Bi pangatag bi? Pangatag gani. Pangatag baby. Pangatag bi atik lang eh. Hi, hi. Hi. Okay pa diha, besh. Laban pa, besh.
Basa akong ulo.
Kaya na, besh.